Hello everyone, this is Dr. Purvi Chheda. I am a musculoskeletal physiotherapist with 6 years of experience practicing in Mumbai. आज के वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे about sciatica. Sciatica is a common condition that occurs when the sciatic nerve which runs from the buttock to your legs gets compressed or irritated. This causes pain, tingling, numbness or even weakness of the affected leg. The common causes of sciatica can be herniated disc, that is compression of the disc bulge, or it can be spinal stenosis, which is the narrowing of the spinal canal, or even it can be because of the piriformis syndrome where the piriformis muscle gets compressed and it impinges the sciatic nerve. Now we'll discuss 3 simple exercises that you can do to decompress and relax your sciatic nerve. So we'll start with the first exercise, that is the gluteal stretch. In that, we'll cross the affected leg on the other leg and then slowly try to pull it towards the opposite shoulder. Hold it for 10 seconds and repeat it 3 times. So when we are stretching this, we are trying to relax the gluteal muscle which compresses the sciatic nerve, thereby causing the sciatic nerve to relax. So the second exercise is the piriformis stretch. In that, again we'll cross the affected leg on the opposite leg and then slowly try to bend forward. In this, again we'll hold it for 10 seconds and do it for 3 times. Here we are stretching the piriformis muscle where the sciatic nerve passes through the piriformis muscle. In cases of piriformis syndrome where the muscle is very tight or compressing the nerve, this helps to release that. The third exercise we'll be doing is the hamstring stretch. For that, we'll straighten the leg straight and then slowly bend forward and stretch. In this, again we'll hold it for 10 seconds and do it 3 times. Here we are trying to stretch the hamstring muscle and also the sciatic nerve. These were the 3 simple exercises which you can do for sciatic nerve. If you still feel pain, then please be free to contact our physiotherapist. Check the link in the description box and you can contact on the given number. For more such videos, please follow our TruePal channel.